he trying to fake like he delivering it. He didn't open my package. Oh, he actually brought the truck too.
Yeah, man. What the fuck going on, man? Like they shit for me.
Oh yeah. You gonna install it too?
Yeah.
Alright. The separate.
Buy me lunch, I'll put this thing in
All
right
right.
now. 1 o'clock and off.
Thank you, sir. Truly appreciate it. Oh, you gonna strut it for me too. Give me your sexy model face.
I ain't doing all that. That's what you ordered.
I just wanted the paddle shifters, bro. That's all.
Listen, dude. I don't got paddle shifters.
I need them. What's up, Mother Cities television game? We're back at it again, and we already halfway through the process. Installing the steering wheel with paddle shifters. This is what you need to loosen the bolt for this right here. This goes in front of it, so you don't throw like the clock spring or whatever you call it. You're going to need a breaker bar because first and foremost, that's what was the hardest part for us. As you see, the tools and stuff. I done took my door thing so people can't come in, whatever, or stopper. So I don't even really want to touch that. You want the other steering wheel over there, but what was I about to say? This one doesn't have a heated steering wheel, so I don't really care, to be honest. But the connector's right there, as you can see. Mine's had heating steering wheel. And that's what this connector for. I thought about trying to take it off and put it on, but I don't really care. I'm about to slap the steering wheel on and see if everything is everything. So I get back at y'all when I'm tightening everything up, playing with the paddle shifters and stuff, seeing if it works. I gotta find the bolt now, which I don't know what I did with it. Oh shit. I'll get back at y'all. We putting that back in. I think this connects to this on the airbag. Them two go to the airbag. I don't have the heated steering wheel no more, so that's not going to be connected anymore. I just gotta tighten it up.
Mama.
We messed up already.
Look. I got it.
Your glasses. Those are her glasses, guys. They're very cool.
Yes, they do.
Where did you from? Very cool. I forgot to put this in. I don't know which way it's supposed to go. It's a first for me too, y'all, so watch me fail. Got a fly in the car. Door wide open. Guys, please make sure you power everything off in your car. Please don't be a fool and get a airbag blown off in your face. Because I never told you that. Please turn your car off. Take the battery off. Put something under it to ensure that it don't touch or whatever. I gotta find my torque wrench. I get back. We can stop it. So we already plugged that one in. Good. Simply grab your airbag.
Come back out, okay? Wait till the lady goes.
Me and Rush too, guys. So as you hear in the background. That's that. You place it back in, and the 2 bolts on each side. I ain't take this cover off this one. Can somebody give me a screwdriver?
Stop! Get off.
So yeah, it's 2 bolts on each side, and that's it. So I'm gonna catch back up to y'all when I see if they actually work. So everything's done up there. And I got your little rag. I'm not gonna tighten it up right now, but tighten your battery up. Make sure everything's working right quick. Now this one is black. Mine was silver or chrome, whatever you want to call it, somewhere like in the car. So let's try it. I have to tighten my exhaust again. Well, it's working. That's good. Let's see. Play voice command available with this catalog updated. I don't know how, I guess from the steering wheel or whatever. I don't think it is. Check it, like flashing like a motherfucker. I think I need to do plugs. Hell yeah. It's something like that. I don't know. I got stuff right here. Woo. Definitely need a tune up. Some more shit. Sound good on downshift stuff.